Hello, today I want to unbox the Rampage limited headphones for Amazon. Box came like this. They normally for $50, but I was able to get cheaper, $7. So it's for Amazon warehouse approved headphones, the orange ones that they Rampage limited Bluetooth hearing protector, so they protect your hearing and also allow you to listen to some playlists of your choice. It says earmuff hearing protector, battery life up to 12 hours, USB-C charging cable, 1 year warranty. And here it says what it contains, the features. You can read. It says 27 decibels noise reduction rating, and let's open them. The brand, I guess, Elgin USA. You can go in your Amazon A to Z app and go to ASA with assistance, the like Alexa, but Amazon have created ASA or ASA, I don't know how you say it, and that will help you. You can put the headphones link or something, and it will give you headphones that you can link to the side, and you have few options where I already have the older, the slim ones, but I wanted also to try out these ones because maybe they are better. So they looks like this. And then here's charging cable. So charging block, I have some of that. May smell with plastic, but not bad. Oh, they have this movement, and then this is a little bit thick. I don't know if they're comfortable, because this is kind of narrow, so it's like this. I don't know if I will like it. I thought this, because I have Sony ones, see, they are more wider, more comfortable and more flexible. These ones are a little bit stiff, and maybe they will loosen up here. Actually, you can also regulate on top. Let's see. This is too big, so I lower the setting, maybe to number 2. I don't think I need to do so much. What's here? These are buttons here that you can change track or something. Here is the input to charge, and also I think input for that you can make them connected with your source of hearing. They are a little bit, but they will be more flexible here on this, like retract more. But actually you can here regulate a little, but let's connect them to my phone. But how you do it, they didn't even put an instruction. Empty box. They should put some, because other ones had the instruction how to do it, and these ones don't. How you turn them on. They should work on those things more. I guess you turn here. Oh, I will pair them now. Like, wait, because this is this phone. Hello, so I was able to connect them with this iPhone. The quality of these headphones is not too bad, but it's also not too good. The Apple AirPods are better, Pro ones, of course. And the Sony also is, Sony headphones are better, but the lower quality, of course, but may protect your hearing, and the sound is not too low actually, especially talking videos. When I check out, they are kind of not too bad, but music is like a little bit lower. Like talking videos are better, but in the videos like songs, the quality you can hear is not too good. Actually, I think the other headphones, the ones on strings, like cable ones, are a little better sound quality, but they are too low, not too high in hearing, like the volume is low. This one's also lower volume, but actually when I put talking video I had to little lower from maximum because it was too loud. And with time you get used to the tightness on your head, but I think I have to test them out more to see if they're comfortable, because they kind of press on this part on both sides. So I don't know if wearing them longer time, if it's comfortable on your head. I think others at least not press your head, and this one seems like squeezing your head, like when you put them, this part is a little like squeezed. Because let's see if my Sony ones aren't like that. Not at all, they don't squeezing your head like this. And these ones are very gentle on you. So yeah, I don't think these ones will be comfortable to wear many hours. Okay, that's it for my review, but I can test them out longer. See you in the next video. Bye.